Hi all, welcome back to Making English Fun. Today we're probably diving into a word that often gets a little twist in its pronunciation. That word, we've already said it, is probably. Before we jump in, make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up to support the channel. Really keeps us going. Let's pronounce it together. Probably. Probably. Now it has 3 syllables. And it's not as tricky as it may seem. The challenge here is keeping that middle "a" sound clear and not blending it into probably, which lots of people do. You will be understood, but it's not correct. To get it right, say prob, like in problem, add an "a", like in apple, and finish with blee, like in believe. Probably. Let's practice this. Probably, 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 not probably. Fun fact, probably is a word we use when we're not sure but making an educated guess. It's a useful word in English. Keep practicing and you'll probably be using probably with confidence. And remember, you can check out all the resources on Making English Fun. We have loads for free on there. Until next time, keep exploring the world of English. Don't forget to subscribe, share and hit that like button. See you soon.